I'm Natasha, a recruiter here at 𝗟𝗲𝘅𝗶𝗲 MedStaff.
And hey guys, I'm Lexi, another recruiter here at 𝗟𝗲𝘅𝗶𝗲 MedStaff. And even though you didn't ask for it, we're back with more Tipsy Recruiter. Today we are making
White Christmas Margaritas. So
ooh, sounds yummy.
get a little festive and Feliz Navidad.
All I know about this drink is it has a lot of booze in it. It's great for hosting. So if you want to treat your guests right, go ahead and make this.
Yeah, it makes, I think, six people it serves. So there are two for all of us.
If you're feeling generous.
Yes. If you want to share, or 6 for you.
But more for me.
So
first, start us off.
Yes, first we'll start off with 2 cups of ice in a blender. And all of this, we're just gonna pour into a blender, mix it all up. So we have our ice in there. Next is 12 ounces of tequila, or 1.5 cups.
You know, I feel like we've really matured and grown in this segment because they're trusting us with a blender now.
Yes.
And way more tequila.
Yeah, 1.5 cups. Okay, next is 1 cup of 𝗡𝘁𝘀.
And this is pretty standard fare for your margarita. I don't know, I guess I've never had a margarita without it.
Yeah, exactly. Sometimes, you know, I'll just buy the pre-made stuff, then it's all ready to go, but
always pre-made.
Let's see, and 1 more of those.
I've never put more.
Oh my gosh. We'll do a 1/2 cup of lime juice.
Oh, so much green today.
Yeah. Oh,
I'm green, the lime is green.
The lime juice is green.
Okay, now, okay. Guys,
don't refrigerate this. I did.
Coconut milk.
Yep, so 1 14-ounce can of unsweetened coconut milk.
Is this what makes it the White Christmas?
Yeah. Makes it like, this will be interesting. I've never had tequila mixed with milk.
Ooh. Tasha, oh man.
But hey.
I'm feeling hopeful.
We'll give this a shot.
All right.
And then, do you want to grab the lid?
Oh, where's the lid?
Right.
Oh, there it is.
There we go.
Might want that.
Okay.
Oh gosh.
This is like on those cooking shows where they like put it in the oven and pull it out.
We're not that fancy.
Okay, and then blend that. Oh.
Looks nice and white and Christmassy.
Yeah. Oh.
Do we want one more?
Are we good? I think we're good. I think it's blended now. Oh boy.
All right, guys.
And so one thing we didn't do, but you can do this, you know, run a lime across the rim, dip it in sugar, makes it look
It's because we have jobs to do.
and pretty. Yes.
You can't just drink all day.
We have nurses to place.
And then for a fun little holiday twist, then add a lime and
some cranberries to top it off.
Because the best part about cranberries is they just float on top. So
they look
it's a
so
great
pretty
way
and
to
festive.
spice up your drink.
Look at that.
All right.
And a snack for later.
Cheers.
Cheers. Whoa. Woo.
Tequila.
Grandma's getting lit tonight. That's a lot of tequila. Oh, looks like you're drinking milk.
Well, that's what you can tell the kids.
Yeah. Oh man.
All right, guys. Well, while you're drinking those White Christmases,
Don't read off that one.
we have some spots you should hit up around the states here. Christmastown, USA in
McAdenville, North Carolina.
Ogden's Christmas Village in Ogden, Utah.
Nevada City Victorian Christmas in Nevada City, California.
Ozark Mountain Christmas, Branson, Missouri.
And Georgetown Glow in Washington, D.C.
Have fun this holiday season.
Yes.
And cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Don't die.